SmartLab, unlock the power of AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartLab, where we simplify AI and tech for you. But before diving into the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so you can receive the next one.
Did you know that ChatGPT can be your smartest assistant in both study and work? Whether you're a student trying to ace your exams or an employee trying to get more done in less time, this tool can truly change the way you work. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in 5 powerful and practical ways for studying and professional tasks. Let's dive in. There are many ways to use ChatGPT as a study assistant. Let's look at some of the most useful ones. First, simplifying complex concepts. Struggling to understand something from a class or textbook? Just ask ChatGPT. Explain this like I'm 10 years old, and it'll give you a clear, simple explanation, often better than your professor. Second, summarizing long content. Don't want to read 30 pages? Ask ChatGPT to summarize a chapter or a lecture into bullet points. It saves time and highlights the key ideas. Third, assisting with research papers. Not sure how to start your paper? ChatGPT can suggest research topics, create outlines, and even recommend sources. It's like having a research buddy 24/7. Fourth, checking answers and solving problems. You can submit your answer and ask ChatGPT for feedback. Or if you're stuck on a problem in math, programming, or science, it can walk you through the steps without just giving you the answer. Now let's move to the workplace. How can ChatGPT help professionals? A. Writing emails and reports. Need to write a formal email or a quick report? Just share the key points with ChatGPT and it'll generate a polished professional version in seconds. B. Creating presentations. Ask ChatGPT to outline a PowerPoint presentation. It can provide slide titles and bullet points for any topic, perfect for business meetings or class presentations. C. Time and task management. Feeling overwhelmed with tasks? Let ChatGPT help you organize your day, break down projects, or build a weekly schedule. D. Social media and marketing content. Running a business or working in marketing, ChatGPT can generate post ideas, catchy captions, and even add copy, saving you hours of creative work. E. Technical and coding support. If you're into tech or programming, ChatGPT can write code, debug scripts, and explain how to fix errors. It's like having a junior developer working with you. As you can see, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a powerful tool that can enhance your learning, boost productivity, and save you time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell. Let me know in the comments, how do you use ChatGPT in your daily life? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.